Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a debit card in Roblox. First of all, open the browser on your phone and go to roblox.com. Then log in with your username and password. Once you are in, tap on the settings icon with the gear symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Then select settings from the drop down menu. After that, choose the payment methods option from the settings menu where your current payment methods are displayed. Now, tap on Add to link a new debit card to your account. Next, you will be prompted to enter your debit card information, including your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back of your card. After entering the details, make sure everything is correct and then tap Save. Once the debit card is added successfully, you can use it to purchase Robux or use any other in-game items. Your debit card will now be linked to your Roblox account for future transactions. And that's it. Now you know how to add a debit card in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.